Fucking moment y'all been waiting for. The fucking bars. Yeah. The rapping this shit, man. I ain't really that good of a talker, man. Always been a motherfucking rapper. The fuck I do. Listen to what I gotta say in the bars, man. My shit is fucking up, man. I was about to go in too, like, shit. Hold on, if that shit fucking stop making that dumbass sound. Cause the funny thing is, I did this shit like fucking 4 times already, and I ain't pressed the record button. And on the fucking 4th take, the fucking computer is freezing, man. That's some bullshit. You know what I'm saying? That's some bullshit right there, man. If this shit don't work in 5 minutes, I'm just spitting with no beat, like. Cause I'm getting tired of this, man. Right? I want niggas to hear what I gotta say, right? As much as motherfuckers want to hear what I gotta say, I want motherfuckers to hear what I gotta say. Understand that? Like, for real. I got mad shit on my chest I gotta get off, man. But, shit, let me try to fucking fix this right here. Yeah. Alright.